What is your name?
Renee.
Renee, may I ask you a quick question? In your opinion, who is the king of dancehall?
The Vybz Kartel, man. One king, man. Vybz Kartel. Look under my nose.
It's a tape.
It's a record.
Glory to the Lord. Anyway, today we're there with
Bruv.
Alright, Mr. Bruff. In your opinion, who are the king of dancehall?
Kartel, man. Kartel, everybody know. Then I call who are king. Which Beanie Man? Beanie Man, I fool a dancer. Kartel, I king. Everybody know. Alright, Beanie Man, I girl them sugar, not my sugar. So, only if you say my king, but you say 1J, Vybz Kartel.
Alright, hold on there. She gone. She that talker, she gone. Mr. Blacks. You know in there. Oh.
Man, dancehall God.
Alright, Mr. Vybz, who are the king of dancehall?
Well, we have left the war there between Shaggy and Sean Paul.
But the street I say a Kartel are the king of dancehall. What you say about that?
No, that Jamaica local. Diabetes. Huh? Yeah, Jamaica local, man. I just local opinion that. We international wise, come on, Kartel no they know this man. Even Popcorn bigger than Kartel international. Wally parties bigger than Kartel international. You see me? So a local. Him around the ground, local. Down at Jamaica? Yeah, him around Jamaica. Me give him Jamaica, but not over the world.
Alright, we understand that. Alright, today we're there with
DJ Atki, you know? Nah, my pray that.
So, Mr. Atki, who are the king of dancehall?
Why? Me know say me agi Kartel this thing, but guess anyway for wise up you them more. You see me in the street, you see me? And stop people low all with the thing them. And say boy, kill them over something. You sing for your girl, let me know. That me I pray. We more cut out the violence and over since see me Kartel. We look to you as a real artist, but do the right thing, you know? Nah, my pray, man. You hear that? Yeah.
Alright. Today we're there with
CJ. One CJ, you know, one CJ.
Alright, Mr. CJ, I'm going to ask you a question. Who is the king of dancehall?
Kartel, man, you don't know, sir. One Kartel, man. One Vybz Kartel, man. You don't know that already, man.
Well, that the street I say, you see me? I have a quick question for you, ask, so. In your opinion, who you think is the king of dancehall?
Vybz Kartel.
All people are saying Beanie Man. What you say about that?
Beanie Man time done.
Alright. Today we're there with
Benjamin.
Mr. Benjamin, in your opinion, who are the king of dancehall?
One Vybz Kartel, you see me? One Vybz Kartel, Jamaica believe, sir. Kartel and my dad. See me? Yeah, that's it.
Alright, next question. What's 9 plus 9 times 9?
We got no matter 9 plus 9 times 9. 9.
I'm out. Alright. Today we're there with
Conductor.
Alright, Mr. Conductor. In your opinion, who are the king of dancehall?
Well, Vybz Kartel have some lyrics still. You see me about whole heap of people right now, but Vybz Kartel go on one.
And what do you mean, whole heap of people? What you talk? Give a name.
I like Alkaline. Whole heap of local man I like, so. And I'm alone really hype, but a whole heap of hype tune out the same, you see me?
So you say, next thing I know, from what they say a pandemic are going on with the jacket thing right now. What do you think about the jacket situation?
Why? That's what I'm saying, like, where government do take DNA. You see me I say when the woman is pregnant, so show you things that get out of control, you see it? So,
what if you get a jacket and you find out 15 years after, what you do?
why? Life, you know, if people may know get it and some get over it, so maybe some get to me and I get over it. Oh.
Alright, facts and opinion. Today we're there with
Bigger star.
in your opinion, Bigger, who you think is the king of dancehall?
The Kartel man, the whole Jamaica know, you know. Whole Jamaica know kind of hide. Yes. Then Kartel do, then did Kartel do what Beanie Man do? For evil said Kartel is the king. Kartel no do a Sean Paul do. Kartel no do a Shaggy do. Kartel no do a Popcorn do. Kartel no do a Movado do. Kartel no do a Wally Party. Kartel no do a Alkaline do. Cause Kartel now have a big album, a billboard album. If you can't even say that. That don't make sense.
Alright, what you say?
Them the international more, but when they take a sack for Jamaica, Kartel like King. So me don't know him at all. I come like him blind to Jamaica. Him blind. He come like overseas. This man live. He don't live at Jamaica. Overseas him live.
The thing is still, you know, when we are dealing with music, we not deal with just Jamaica alone. We deal with worldwide. So we base the artists them offer worldwide. So for an artist at good numbers, he might go on with things. But when they not do the numbers, you just have to do some numbers over YouTube and look at numbers over Spotify. Come on, man, your song then now buy to all that. You drop album and sell 1,000 copy for week. And Alkaline sell almost 3,000 copy for week when you drop the album. So we don't know where you say now. Where that makes sense.
Alright, yes, facts and opinion, and that the streets I say. Yeah, today we there with?
Reach.
I ask you a quick question. In your opinion, who are the king of dancehall?
Kartel, man. Kartel.
How people are say Beanie, man?
I don't know.
What a Kartel you say?
Yeah.
Alright, respect. Today we there with?
Seminal. DJ Seminal.
Alright, who you think are the king of dancehall? Yeah, today we there with?
Mr. Wheel up, you know. Cause you know when say Mr. Wheel up, you know, Barry, Mr. Wheel up, the general. Straight out of Floodland Production. Boom.
Mr. Wheel up, me I go ask you a quick question, you see me? Who you think is the king of dancehall?
Hey, right now you can't be in one spot, you know. There are many kings, you know. Kings of kings. So depends on how you want me to dissect it now. Listen what me I go say. King of dancehall. Remember me an old veteran, you know. I mean, hear them use the term dancehall. Dancehall a venue, you know, where all type of music playing, you know. Number one, all Christian song, all type of song, soca, any type of music playing a dancehall. But you see the king now, to be frank, pick up Moses Davis, Beanie Man, hand spec, foot spec, eye spec, belly spec. You see right now where you drop, you see nowadays you them you know, if you even listen to the flow and the beat of the rhythm, you see Kartel, yeah man, a king man, Kartel, in that era where you drop right now. Because different type of beat are running. We are one drop, you know. And you see Beanie Man, Bunty and them man the whole mic in a dance hall. Round sound where people are ball all and pull up. And that's why you dance all there. But you have them nowadays you know. Some of them taking at them bathroom, some of them taking at them thing and them do them one thing and then them going to the studio. Music and them music are going. So for now, I be the man I king until they lift the crown off of the general head.
Alright, today we there with?
Day I clean, man. One day I clean, man.
Mr. Clean, who are the king of dancehall?
You know, must know that bad man. You don't have to ask bad man. One Vybz Kartel, bad man. Gaza to life, bro. You don't know that, man. What is on them nose?
I'm out. Yeah, today we there with?
One burger, one murder. When them murder.
In your opinion, who are the king of dancehall?
Right now, one teacher, you know. Big woman thing. One Vybz Kartel. Fully Capricorn, no. Active.
Fully active.